Hello everyone. In last session we learned what is algorithm and what is flowchart of addition of two numbers. Today we are write a program to add two numbers inputted by user and understand each and every line and along with their notations and syntax. So we quickly brief last lesson, that is algorithm. If we write to add two numbers, the first step is start with begin followed by accept first number, accept second number from the user, add these two numbers and display the result, that is output or addition of that two numbers, and last step is end. Flowchart. In flowchart we learn so many things, that is the symbols which are used to draw a flowchart. The oval shape is used to use for the procedure of start and end. Parallelogram is used for inputting the number. Rectangle is used to process. In our example, the process is addition of first and second number, and to display the output again we use parallelogram to print the sum. Our program is write a program to add two numbers inputted by user. The first line, that is slash and star, and end with slash and star. This is a multi-line comment or single line comment. If we write multiple lines, we have to end the line by star and slash. First two lines, that is hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output dot header file, and slash include conio.h, that is console input output. This is a declaration section, or we can set that the preprocessor section, or generally we are declaring header files or micro definitions over here. After this we start our main program. Generally we write void main open bracket close bracket. The first line of the program, main is a function. A function is denoted by open parenthesis and close parenthesis. In this function there is no parameter, that is this function is non-parameterized function. We are using three non-parameterized functions in our first program, that is main, clear screen and getch. Here in round brackets we are not mention any of the single variable in this question only. Then second line is curly bracket. Curly bracket is generally used for block or the body of the program. Function body, or the when we use loop we use this block, curly bracket start and curly bracket end. In third line we start with int. Int is a data type of integer. N1, N2 and AD are the three variables I declared in this program. N1 is used to take input for the first number, N2 is used to take input of second number, AD is used for addition of these two number N1 and N2. Every statement in C program, in this program, terminated by semicolon. Semicolon is also known as terminator or statement terminator. Int is a data type. Next line of the program is clr_scr. clr_scr is a function used to clear the screen. It is a predefined function, and the definition of this function is generally used in or written in stdio.h. Clear screen function is used to clear the screen before input. Next line is printf. We use two parameterized function over here. one is used for output function and second one is used to input the function. Printf output function, it helps to print a message to user regarding input, and print output means the result. Here our program is of addition of two numbers, so we prompt the user a message on screen, that is enter any two numbers. So this the syntax of printf is printf open bracket double quotation mark. Double quotation mark is used to print the string. Whatever we put in double quotation mark is known as string. The close of the function, that is round bracket close and the semicolon. After this line, user will get the input message on the screen. So we use to store that number inputted by user in our computer's memory. So we use scanf function. Scanf function open bracket in double quotation mark we use 2 times %d. %d is a control string, or we can say that data type specifier. If we are using integer data type, we use %d. If we are using character data type, we use %c. If we are using float data type, we use %f. Generally the syntax is %d without space, without comma. This is known as control string, so we put this %d in 2 times without any space or comma, because we have to store 2 variables entered by the user, that is n1 and n2. Then we use separator, that is comma. Ampersand n1 is used to store the value of input in the memory location of that variable. Generally when we compile this program according to the data type, compiler is used to store the space into the memory, temporary memory, to use to store this values of the variable. So we write small and n1 and small and n2, that is memory location of memory variable 1 and memory variable of 2. Then these 2 lines are called as input. Up to the clear screen function, we use declaration section or initialization section. Printf scanf is known as input section. Then we have to process these 2 numbers into addition, so we use variable ad, that is integer type. So we write ad equals to n1 and n2, n1 plus n2, that is addition of variables, and assign this value to the variable ad. This line is known as process of this addition of 2 numbers. After this line, the output is ready, we have to display that. So we use again we use output function. Output function we used previously to print any 2 numbers or enter any 2 numbers from the user. Here we use printf in different style. We have to prompt the message addition equals to %d or sum equals to %d. Message generally we put in double quotation mark separated by comma and the name of the variable. Here %d is used to display the variable value, that is c. Again this is output function used to print output with plain message. Last but one line of our program is getch. It is also a predefined function, non-parameterized function used to hold output screen till user intersection. And the last is we start our curly bracket or body of the program after main function. Last line after getch you have to close that block or the body of the program. To compile this program, so first we have to save this program. So press F2 to save this program. Give the name, short name or the name which you can easily remember with the extension .c. After that you have to use Ctrl F9 The Control F9 key is used to compile and run the program, where the compiler prompt you if the errors are there, it will show you on the screen. Some 4-5 errors are there while compiling, so we are going to explain that. First, equals to is an assignment operator used to assign the value to the variable n1 equals to 10. Here 10 is the value assigned to the variable n1. %d, it is control string used to store or display the value of variable. Double quotation mark, string generally used to print the message, used to display or print. Here we learn one mathematical operator, that is addition. Plus symbol is used as a mathematical operator in this program. Thank you very much.